filmed this so long, so welcome back to you and to myself, because I think I haven't filmed since a year. I think actually around this time I kind of stopped filming and I was not consistent. I did miss filming, even though I wasn't filming. Like, I was just like, oh, I want to film, but life got in the way. And yeah, now this lockdown happened, and I should have started filming when the lockdown happened because I had more time, but everything happens when it's supposed to happen, you know. This is a place to just wind down and not even think about that. So let's change the subject. This video is just me talking while I get ready. I'm not going nowhere, but I'm just gonna do simple makeup look with makeup that I received in my BoxyCharm, and also my Ipsy I haven't used because I honestly have not been using any type of makeup. I love doing makeup, love going the full makeup glam, but that's not an everyday look for me. I like to do bare face or just the bare minimum. So let's get into this. I redid my brows. I always do my brows because brow routines to me I feel like are just not exciting at all. Alright, I feel so weird, guys, but yeah, I'm back. Hey, let's do this. Honestly, during this lockdown, have any of you been motivated to do anything? In the beginning, I wasn't doing anything. I stopped doing yoga, meditation, even reading. I just was in a funk of like, what the hell am I supposed to be doing, you know? But I actually got back on that. Also working out too. I actually got back on all of that. I'm actually excited about that because those are things that I love doing. Anyways, let's get to this. I'm not gonna like beat my face and do a full face of anything. Honestly, that's one thing. I stopped using foundation. I was really never a foundation person. I used to only use foundation when I was like going out to an event or anything or something like that. Before this, I'm like, before this lockdown, this quarantine, I really wasn't even using foundation at all. My thing is, I just use concealer, sometimes bronzer and blush, and then I do my eyes and stuff like that, but I will skip the foundation. I do have foundation, but I want to get new foundation, something dewy. But then again, it's getting summer, so maybe like a BB cream or something like that, because I don't like anything heavy on my skin. I want it to look, you know, natural. I'm just, yeah. My eyes, oh yeah, we can do a natural, we can do a bold look, we can do whatever with my eyes. Even now with the eyes too, that takes a lot of time, so I like to do things quick and easy and on the go. I try to but that never works. I take my time with everything. Some people will say I take forever to get ready, but whatever. I'm going to do my eyes. I'm going to use this palette right here. This palette I received in my BoxyCharm. All mattes. Ooh, I'm loving these two colors right here. Those two are gorgeous. I think I'm going to use those. Let's conceal my eyes just a little, nothing crazy. So during this quarantine, what have you guys been up to? I've been on Netflix. What shows are you watching? I've been watching The Last Kingdom. Boy, oh boy, that's a good Netflix series. The Last Kingdom. Uhtred. Sexy ass. What are the shows? I'm still watching the shows that I've been watching. Oh my god. If you are a Hawaii 5-0 fan, you would know there's no more. So sad. I don't want to even, you know, talk about that because I get so emotional. I love that show. I cannot believe it's over. Like, I cried. Seriously cried. I am that person that I get attached to these shows and characters, so please stop doing that to me. To set my eyeshadow, I will be using, let's see, this one. These two right here are Calling My Name, but I just want to like a one shadow look, something easy, quick, dust it right on and keep it going. I'm just gonna dip into this shadow, always tap off access, and just apply right in the crease. And I'm not being harsh, I'm being so smooth with this. That's the one thing about doing your eyes. It takes time just because you have to blend and pack on a lot if you want it to look seamless and nice. Even the simplest look takes some effort. So during this quarantine, what are you guys missing? I mean, I know we're all missing outside, but like what? Do you just miss going out by yourself, or you miss seeing your family and friends, you know, your loved ones? For me, I do miss seeing my loved ones because I just love being with my family and friends, my close ones. Always having a good time, making memories, out to eat, you know, do things. Me, I'm a type, I just love doing things and going out, but I also like staying home too. We need outside, we need to feel the sun and all that beautifulness out there. You know, I'm a nature person, so do not be like, oh my god, what is she talking about? I'd rather be in nature than anything. Even though I apply this just on my crease, I'm going to tap it on my lid as well, you know. Just put it all over. See, one thing I want to say is that with my videos, me doing makeup, I am not here to say, buy this makeup, you know, you need this makeup to look beautiful. That's never my intentions in my video when I am filming these makeup videos. This is just something like, you know, us females, we like to, whoever it is, we like to play with makeup. We like to create, and doing makeup is a damn art, bro. Seriously is. I do want to take this flat brush right here, and I am going to dip it in the shadow. I just, something was telling me to do it. If you do not know this, even though I said this plenty of times before, but I am a dry girl. I have dry spots. I hate it. Even during summer, you know, I still have dry spots, dry skin. I do like a dewy look. Matte looks, having a matte foundation or matte concealer. Oh my god, these birds are going crazy. Having a matte foundation or concealer, putting a lot of powder on my face, it's not the way I do things. I want to see the dew. I want to look hydrated and moisturized and healthy and glowy. It doesn't matter if you love a dewy look or a matte look. I think you should do this no matter what. And that's always applying moisturizer. That's you should always apply moisturizer before anything. The moisturizer I use is from e.l.f. Once I ordered this, I just fell in love. This is my second one. I need to purchase another one. I also use this right here. Oh my gosh. This is from Saturday Skin, the Waterfall water cream. Yeah, the glacier or something like that. This I use a lot now as well, so I go back and forth with these two, but this is my holy grail. I feel like this gives me more of a hydration glow than the Saturday Skin one. I have this because I received this in my BoxyCharm and I have not used this, so I was like, let me use this. It's the primer from Benefit. It's the Hydrate Primer. I don't use primers all the time, but today, since I received this, I want to use it. You know, I want to try it out. So this is Hydrating Face Primer to minimize the look of pores. Let's do this. Primer. Gonna need a little bit more than this, I already know. I am going to go in with my e.l.f. Flawless Concealer. This is light to medium coverage, more light than anything. This is in Light Sand, if you were wondering. We're gonna do this cream contour. I'm gonna use a flat side, and I'm gonna dip in. I always dip in to these two right here. I wanted to see how it looks with a sponge, you know, since I love sponges, right? gonna go into the e.l.f. cream blush. And I'm gonna apply some of this one right here. I'm taking the Tarte Park Avenue Princess face palette, I think it's called. I'm going to use this one right here to contour my nose, and then this is to set my nose as well. I use my finger for this part, don't mind me. I'm going to curl my lashes, and then I'm going to apply the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. So like little by little, you see it's coming together and everything. It's a process. Hopefully this video is not that long. But with me, I talk so much and I take forever. So for highlight, I will be using this highlight right here. This is from Space Case Cosmetics. The name of it is Scene from Space 1A. This looks like from ColourPop, but it's from Space Case. Hopefully it's good. It looks beautiful. I'm gonna use my brush, this beautiful brush right here, twirl it in. Okay, so with some highlights, right, they look a little bit too powdery on the skin. I feel like this one is doing that a little bit, but you can help this because you can spray some setting spray right after and it will melt right in, and that's a good thing for powders. If you're using a lot of powders, you use some setting spray and all the powders will melt right in and it will look nice. Before I do my lips, I'm going to set my face. Woo! That was awesome. The setting spray that is amazing, I need to repurchase, is the Morphe setting spray. Oh man, that setting spray is awesome. I actually have it right here. This one right here. Yeah, the Continuous Setting Mist. This is amazing. I have a little bit left though, so that's why I'm not using it. That's why I'm using my MAC. I didn't even tell you what is it. My MAC Fix Plus. But I love the Morphe more, just because it doesn't give you like, this hardly gives you droplets, but like sometimes it will give you a little bit. But the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray does not at all. The mist is amazing. So last thing I need to do is my lips. I have a lipstick and I have a lip gloss, a plumping gloss. This is Iconic and this is Bella Pierre Cosmetics. Hopefully I said that right. So with this look, it's simple. So you can use just a lip gloss or you can use lipstick. It could be something neutral or it can be something bold. It doesn't matter, whatever floats your boat. Okay, I actually like this. It's creamy. I can use this all the time. I'm like, do I want to apply this lip gloss now? But yeah, I am. Let's see how it works with lipstick. It looks beautiful too, actually. I like this combo. I think if you do it by yourself, either or, it looks good. Together, it looks good. So that's good. I need to get better at doing get ready with me, you know, talking more. But I think I did a good job. I talked here and there. Hopefully the things I was saying, I put it in. I feel like I did, you know, good. But I need to get better with doing get ready with me. I just talk about the makeup more than anything else, and you're not supposed to do that, but hey, I tried. I love how this came out. Oh my god, I haven't done my makeup like this in so long. If you have any questions or anything like that, please don't be shy. just right down below. And if you have not subscribed to me, subscribe to me. Well, yeah guys, so that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time guys. Stay safe. Bye. I really don't want to get up because I'm being lazy, you know? I don't even know what I'm saying right now. This flap, but okay. So much. I just slapped me. They're sagey. I need to. Oh my god, my hair. You heard that crack? I just cracked my neck.